I'm going to be showing you how you can check the battery life health percentage of your battery on your Android device, because on iPhone it's a little bit different to check the battery life than Android. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. What you need to do is on your iPhone, head over to settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to where you see battery, then click on battery health. Then you see the maximum capacity for me is at 88%. Depending on the iPhone you use or have, the battery capacity might look different for you depending on the usage you give your iPhone. Because my battery says 88%. For you, it might say anything different. And depending on the battery capacity, when it reaches a certain point of the battery life, your battery might say service on your iPhone device because the battery usage will not hold the charge anymore. And when it reaches a certain point, you're going to need to change your battery out because it says service. You might need to go to an authorized Apple seller to change your battery out. Because if you do not use an authorized Apple user seller to change your battery out, when you change your battery, it's going to be saying service on your battery if you did not get it changed with an authorized Apple user seller. If you get it changed with a third-party seller, the third-party seller may not know how to change the warning so that your iPhone does not say battery service when you change out your new battery on your iPhone. Now, that's how you can check the battery life percentage on your iPhone device. Now what you need to do is on your Android device, head over to settings, click on settings, then scroll down to where you see device maintenance. Then the option you want to click on is you're going to be seeing all these options. The one you want to click on is click on battery. And then when you click on battery, you're going to be seeing that there's no battery health capacity, or there's no maximum battery health capacity to see if you need to change your battery or keep it in your Android device. And the options you get, I'll show you what all these options are. The first option you get is where it says app power monitor. You're going to be seeing the app that takes up most usage. You can uninstall the app so that you can have more battery life on your Android device as you install the battery by checking which app uses the most battery on your Android device. Then you have where it says power saving mode, which it says right here, medium is at 14 hours and 3 minutes, maximum a day in 3 hours. That's the power saving mode. Then right here you see where it says 45. That's not the battery health capacity. That's the battery health so that you need to check when you need to charge your battery. Then you have 11 hours and 44 minutes where it says estimated battery life. That's how much you have until you need to charge your Android device again. And what you need to do now is you need to head over to your Google Play Store. Head to the Google Play Store and search for this app called Samsung Members. Click on where it says Samsung Members. Then install the app called Samsung Members. Open it up once you've installed it. And once you install it, you might need to enter your email or password or set up an account with Samsung Members. Once you set up your account, you're going to be greeted with all these settings right here. You're going to be greeted with all these settings. The one you want to click on is you have Explore, Get Help, and My Page. Click on where it says Get Help. Then you see you have this option right here. You have the name for the Samsung device, the Samsung Care, and Diagnostics. The one you want to click on Diagnostics, then click on Start. Then you said right here, you can select any item to test. Battery status, SIM card, SD card, and power reset status. The one you want to click on. Then what you need to do is you're going to be seeing this option called battery status. Click on where it says battery status. Then you see your battery status. Right here it says actions required. Battery power, which that is the battery life percentage, so that you need to change your battery out. The battery power is at 33%. That's the battery health you need to do to change your battery out. Then you have the life, which is weak. If your battery says anything else like weak or good, if your battery says good, then you do not need to change out your battery just yet. But if it says battery life weak, then you're gonna need to change out your battery. Then you have maximum capacity, which is at 3000 milliamp. Then you have charging, which is AC. And at the bottom here it says battery check is required. It says right here at the bottom, the battery you are using is in old or in poor condition. As you continue to use it, it won't be able to last very long or hold charge. We recommend replacing your battery. And then you can contact them to see what battery you can change it out with, or you can get a new phone, depending on the Android device that you use. That's it for this video, guys, on how you can check the battery life health percentage to see if you need to change your battery on your Android device or keep it. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.